I'm Professor Dr. Syed Zamirul Hassan. I'm working as Chairperson, Department of Textile Engineering at Balochistan University of Information Technology, Engineering and Management Sciences, Quetta. I am leading the work package 2 as group lead. I, along with my colleagues, Dr. Kashif, Dr. Ali Asghar, and Engineer Ali Raza, will work on value addition of textiles from Pakistani wool. Our project is comprised of the optimization of pre-treatment of wool and processing parameters of wool for the development of woolen products. Wool is a magical fiber that has challenged scientists over the decades due to its extreme versatility, like its ability to absorb high level of moisture and with the simultaneous ability to protect against the showers with resilient mechanical properties and natural odor resistance. The advantages may relate to comfort, durability, and specialized functionalities like heat and flame resistance, conductivity, chemical and biological behaviors. The wool fiber has potential for its unique properties when it comes in contact with the nonwovens, like in the case of filters and domestic wipes. Environmental pressures are being felt with the industries and the public demanding environmental sustainable solutions. This opens areas of opportunity for composite materials uh, made up of natural fibers, including the wool. Pakistan's major economy is dependent on crop farming and livestock production. The living of small and poor farmers mostly depends on the small ruminants. Globally, there are 995 breeds reported, whereas Pakistan is sheltering 28 breeds of sheep. Uh, According to the Economic Survey of Pakistan, there are 26.5 million sheep across the country, which yields 21.4 tons of wool fibers. Out of these 26.5 millions, more than 12.8 million sheep are found in Balochistan. Wool is underutilized fiber, and research and innovation are very much needed to utilize it to its fullest potential. Our project is basically divided into 5 phases. Our first phase will be the wool sample collection all over the Pakistan, and then we will have some database and a selection of some suitable raw materials. After that, we will go for the wool processing, in which we will be implementing scouring, carbonizing, and drying and carding techniques to our fibers. Third one is the sheet formation. For nonwovens, we will be utilizing web forming and web bonding techniques, and then for weaving, the rowing may be produced from the card, and then we will go through the process of weaving. After that, our fourth phase, which is related to composite fabrication, we will have composite production. We will produce the composite samples utilizing different resins, different finishing, and different coating techniques for our composite products. And then finally, our fifth phase, which is related to the testing and analysis, we will test our products at different stages, and analysis would be done along with the market research with for the feasibility of these products. Uh, at PUITMS, we are currently capable of pre-treatment of these wool fibers, and then we are able to convert these wool fibers into the non-woven sheets, and which will further go for the composite manufacturing process. We have established textile testing and quality control lab, uh, by which we can have some initial testing of raw materials. We have also established an outstanding electro-spinning lab and composite fabrication lab. No doubt, definitely, we will have some shortage of testing equipments and testing facilities, which can be compensated through our academic and collaborative institutes or organizations. Our academic collaborators are National Textile University, NED, SBK University, which is placed in Quetta, University of Balochistan, And our sectoral collaborators involve Bluchistan Agriculture and Research Center BEARDC, which is responsible, and they have committed to provide technical, logistic, and field resources for this project. Also, the livestock and dairy development department, which is operating under the Balochistan government, has committed to provide the database and also their technical, logistic, and field resources. Then we are also collaborating with FAO, which is organization working under the United Nations, and they have committed for the availability of wool fibers with authentic sheep breeds. The wool culture has been diminished from our textile industry. The knowledge to process the wool fibers and their conversion into value added products is quite important. Most of the people living in Pakistan suffer from high level of unemployment and poverty. The wool value chain would be vital for the employment and the incomes of these inhabitants. This proposed project mainly deals with the um, utilization of local available raw materials to fabricate high-end value-added products, which can not only reduce the burden on our economy but also create employment for the locals, especially for breeders and shearers of Pakistan. After completion of this project, we will have wool composites and other products that are demand of the market. The wool-based composites is rather a new concept for some high-tech applications as well. Therefore, we think that this project can create a high impact on economy. Thank you very much.